everybody, this is Chad at Round 2. So we're doing the December 2019 product spotlight for everything we got coming out for December. Christmas is already almost here, so there's a lot of really cool stuff coming out this month. We've got new model kits, like 7 new model kits for you guys. We've got new 164 scale and Johnny Lightning with some new Racing Champions cars as well. We've got new slot car sets, 2 new slot car sets for Auto World, and new 118 scale cars for Auto World. So a lot of cool stuff. We're going to jump in and start with the 164th. Alright, so first off in 164th, we've got the newest Johnny Lightning series for our Hulls and Haulers series. So these are the trucks pulling a boat. So there's 3 cars in the set, 3 trucks in the set with A's and B's of each. So the first is our 2004 Ford F-250, and this is pulling that pontoon boat. So there's the version A there in blue with the matching blue boat with orange stripes on it and that teal interior on the boat. Second version is in gunmetal here, gunmetal truck with a white pontoon boat, some seafoam accents on that. And second in the series, the 1960 Studebaker truck with the houseboat. So what's really neat about this is we got the camper shell on top of the truck, and you got the first version here in green with that white camper shell on the top of it, and the houseboat is in a matching tan color with the green stripes along it, trailer for that one. And the second version is in this nice butternut yellow color with the white top on that, and the boat for that one is blue and green. So just a really cool looking set for those. And third, we've got the 1965 International 1200, another really cool, unique truck. This one comes with a split cockpit wood boat. So first version here, you've got the wooden boat in the back with the brown trailer, the kind of goldish champagne color truck to match. And the version B here is in green, and you got the matching green trailer with that as well, and the wooden boat with that. And then also in 164 scale, we do have a couple new Racing Champions cars. So what these are, this is actually a new casting we did for the 2019 Chevy Camaro NHRA Funny car. So the first version we did was the John Force car, the John Force Peak car there. You can see all the great graphics and detail on that one. This is the first time this casting has been out. And the second is the Robert Height Chevy Camaro, the Auto Club car, and that great looking red and blue with all the decals on that one as well. And that's everything for 164th. Right now we've got some 118s to jump in and show you next. Alright, so first off for 118, we got a couple cool cars to show you. We've got one of the last ones for our class of 1969 series. This is the 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner. So some of the neat features about this one, it's in the corporate blue color or the petty blue color. It's got the black striping on it, the black vinyl top, matching black interior, red line tires, fully detailed engine bay with the 383 in it. It's got the opening doors, opening trunk, opening hood, steerable front wheels, a lot of other cool accessories on it too. So another one we're excited to come out. I think it's a great one for the class of 69 series. And also we've got one more a 1969 car. This is in our Muscle Car and Corvette National series. This is the 69 Shelby GT350 pilot car. So what's really awesome about this one, this weather, even though it's a 1969, this is actually based on the pilot car for the 1970 model year GT350. So it comes in the Acapulco blue color with the all the black Shelby striping on it. On the top, it's got the Goodyear tires. And with the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals cars, we got some of the story of the actual car here. The owner was Billy J. Espich. So he owns this 101 pilot car. Super rare replica, and there's some pictures of it at the show. So it's a really cool one that we're excited to bring to you guys. And we'll have a lot more coming in Muscle Cars and Corvette Nationals also. We actually just got back from the show. If you guys haven't checked it out, you should really check it out. It's an amazing event. We also have one more thing for you guys in 118. So this is our 4-wheel enclosed trailer. So we did 2 versions of this. We have a red trailer here with the silver top, fully enclosed. It's got the opening doors in the back of it. And we did another version in black. Same thing, silver top. So this is cool, put behind a 1/18 scale truck. You can kind of see on the back some of the features of it. It's 10 inches long. You see that opening door, chrome wheels, rubber tires, frame, and everything else that comes with it. So really neat, something a little different for 1/18. So that's everything we got for Diecast. Next we'll jump in and show you guys the slot cars. Alright, so for slot cars this month, we've got 2 releases for you guys. First off is a Muscle Cars USA Thunderjet release. So this is the latest 6 cars in this series. So we've got all the muscle cars on the Thunderjet chassis. First being the 1968 Dodge Charger in gray here with the black vinyl top and red line tires on that one. Second in the release, the 1970 Chevy Corvette. You can see here in the great looking dark blue color. It's got white letter tires on that one as well. A lot of cool details on it. We also have the 1969 Chevy El Camino in orange here with the black vinyl top and the black tonneau cover on the back. Cool black pinstriping as well on that one. And the 1968 AMC AMX in black with the white striping on the sides and the white striping that goes across the top here. Some cool white letter tires on that one too. And fifth in the release, the 1968 Ford Torino GT. So here it is in red with the black striping on it and white line tires on that one. And lastly, we've got the next release for our 1971 Buick GSX in this great looking green color. It's got the black striping on it with the little red accents, the black hood, all those cool GSX features, little spoiler on the back, and white letter tires on that one too. So that's everything for the Thunderjet Muscle Cars USA release. We also have a X-Traction release coming out. This is something a little different. We're bringing our import series into slot cars. So this is our first release for a 3-car set for import series. So first car for this is the 1999 Nissan Skyline GTR, the R34 Skyline. And it's got that very famous Yokohama Advan racing livery on it. So it's got the red front bumper, red striping, black front, and the Advan graphics on the hood of it. Second in the release, the ever popular 1994 Toyota Supra, the Mark IV version here. Here it is in white with the red racing graphics. It's got the Dunlop graphics on it, some of the LM Supra stuff, number 27. So really cool stuff for that. And third in the release is the 1995 Mitsubishi Eclipse. So we got the an Eclipse racing livery on this here, the number 32 Mitsubishi graphics on the top of it. That should be a pretty popular one. The second generation Eclipse is one that you don't see a lot in slot cars. So it's got the cool wing on the back of it and a lot of neat features for that. So that's everything we've got in slot cars for December. Next we're going to jump in, show you guys the models. Alright, so for model kits this month, we've got a lot of cool stuff for you guys. We've got 4 car kits from AMT and MPC. We've got 3 kits from Polar Lights also to show you. So we'll jump in. We'll start with the car kits. First off is this cool, the AMT 65 Dodge Coronet 500. So this is a snap kit actually. And some of the really neat features about this one, it does go together really pretty easily. It's got the 5 different colors this is molded in. So it's molded in the light blue. It's got blue interior. There's black pieces, chrome pieces, white pieces, and you can kind of get a look at the parts tree here. And we also included a decal sheet for this that has all the different badges and emblems and really neat stuff to kind of put together a kit super easy, not messy. A great one for kids kind of just starting out. Next, we also have some kits. We're bringing back some of our emergency series kits. So this first one is the MPC 1978 Dodge Monaco. This is the California Highway Patrol car. So some of the neat new features with this one, we did we tooled a new light bar, new push bar. The wheels on it are tooled to be more accurate, and that comes with a lot of really cool features here. So there's the CB radio. You can see the radar unit, the police weapons arsenal, which is pretty neat. Steel rims, and then there's a look at that light bar and that push bar for that. And there's a look at the parts tree that comes with that kit as well. The decal sheet with some of that California Highway Patrol stuff to put on the side of it, door emblems and everything. Next up, also in the emergency series, this is the Fire Chief, the Chevy Impala kit. It's got the 454 engine. We've expanded the decal sheet on this. We retooled a lot of the accessories that go into the Fire Chief. Kept that vintage style packaging for it. And there's a look at kind of some of these really cool components that come with it. So it's got the roof mounted siren or flasher unit, stock wheels. It's got these custom wheels as well, and the radar speaker unit, all this other really neat stuff. You can build it as a Fire Chief, you can build it as a police cruiser, and there's kind of a look at the parts tree for this kit too. You can see all those really nice features. And lastly, for the car kits, we've got one more kit to show you guys. This is the 1953 Ford Victoria kit. So some of the neat options with this one, this is our Coca-Cola kit. So you can build it in different ways. You can build it as a regular Ford Victoria. You can build it with the Coca-Cola decals. It does come with the Coke vending machine as well, and a nice Coke decal sheet, and the new box art, which was designed by our own round 2 model kit guy, Jamie Hood. He usually does a lot of our sci-fi kits and stuff. He did all the new artwork for this, which looks really awesome. And there's a look at kind of the some of the features of a built-up version. So detailed interior and dashboard, optional Continental tire, chrome trim, optional fender skirts, and that Coke vending machine that comes with it as well. And there's a look at that parts tree. You can kind of see the overview of that one. And lastly, here's an overview of all the Coca-Cola decals that come with that one. So that's everything for automotive. We also have some really cool pop culture stuff coming out for you guys. One thing is we got our Godzilla license we've been working with, doing a lot of stuff for Godzilla. So we did the really large kit before. This is an easier kit to put together. This is a snap together Godzilla kit from Polar Lights. So some of the cool features about this, got this really great looking box art on it. It's got 54 snap assembly parts. There's kind of a look at one put together and painted. It's about 7 3/4 inches tall. The jaw is posable. Tail's 10 inches long. Really great detail on it. And then to match that Godzilla kit as well, we are also bringing back the King Ghidorah snap kit. So here it is here. Great looking gold color for the kit here. Again, matching box art that's really nice. And there's a look at a built-up version for that one as well. So these are just super easy kits if you want to do a quick build, or you're more into painting, or a kid starting out that wants maybe a cool Godzilla to put on the desk. And then lastly, for Polar Lights, we've got our Haunted Manor model kit series coming back. So this is the Escape from the Dungeon kit. These are pretty similar to like our Jolly Roger series kits with the rubber band action and movable parts on them. So this one has a lot of cool stuff. You've got the little troll in here, the coffin with the skeleton that pops out, and you got the this guy swinging the axe. So you can see it sits about 7 inches tall. It's got glow-in-the-dark features on it. You flick the switch, swing the axe down, and free the troll from the dungeon. Pop the skeleton up. Just a really neat kind of cool kit for that. And another one we're really excited to bring back out. So that's everything we have for model kits. And yeah, that's it. Alright, so that's everything we got for the month of December for you guys. Lots of cool model kits, slot cars, die cast in both scales, and that rounds out a great month. And again, a great year. The end of 2019, a lot of cool stuff. Thank you guys again for watching. We got a lot of cool stuff coming out for 2020, so keep watching the videos. And our president and owner, Tom Lowe, would like to take a minute to say something to everybody.
Hello everybody, thank you so much for the support in 2019. It was a great year. As you guys saw, we're finishing out with some awesome products here for this month of November. Want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and we'll see you guys next year. Thanks a lot. Peace out.